Good morning everyone. Punta kami ng Sipalay. Magbabakasyon kami ng Sipalay, Negros Occidental. Another vacation. Yuri is very excited, but he woke up late because he was too excited last night. He couldn't sleep early, so he woke up late today.
Mama, my ears are bubbling.
Bubbling? We're going on a... So where we wanna go? We're going on vacation. It's a celebration. Oh, where are we going, Kuya? Huh? Say we're going to Sipalay. Sipalay, Negros Occidental. So ayan, today nga guys ay pupunta kami ng Sipalay, Negros Oriental, and makakasama namin sa biyahe na ito ang aming kaibigan sina Alex at Zoraida at ang kanilang family, yung mama nila at saka yung anak nila. And kami nila. Second travel namin to magkasama galing nung last time sa Siquijor. Nag-Siquijor kami the other month yata yun. And ang biyahe namin nga ang biyahe nga papunta Sipalay galing sa amin ay nasa more than 3 hours at hinintay lang namin sila dun sa may kalsada. Nagsasakyan din sila kasi meron din silang sasakyan. And ayan, sa layo ng biyahe namin ay si Mia ay parang iiyak na nga, kaya nilaro ko muna siya sa kanyang mga laruan. Nagdala ako ng maraming laruan para malibang siya. At saka si Yuri nga din ay nababagot na. Sabi niya, when are we going to arrive, Mama? It's so long. It's so boring here in car. Nababagot na talaga ang bata. Gusto niya yung idea na nagta-travel pero ayaw niya yung nakaupo sa sasakyan na sobrang tagal. Pero excited talaga siya na mag-travel. Kagabi nga hindi siya nakatulog ng maaga sa sobrang excited niya. Sinasabihan ko nga siya na be patient. Kasi pag ganitong travel na malayo ay matatagalan talaga kami. Kailangan lang namin maging patient sa sasakyan and mag-behave lang and matulog kung sleepy. At nakinig naman ang bata. Hindi na siya umiyak hanggang sa nakarating kami. At ayan, nagutom ako guys. Kasi hindi ako nag-almusal kanina, pero nagdala ako ng sardinas at saka rice. Si Dimitri din nagdala ng mga maraming pagkain, so nag-snack lang kami sa sasakyan. Kumain ako ng sardinas nga na may rice kasi ang dali kong magutom talaga, na hihilo ako pag nagbibiyahe na gutom. And lalo na si Mia, lagi kong pinapadede. Madali ako magutom at mahilo sa biyahe, kaya nagdala talaga kami ng mga pagkain. So ito nga ang aming first destination dito sa Sipalay, Negros Oriental. Hilya will slide. Uy, gino ko! Uy!
Waitin ko.
Para kong mahulog ka. Wow. Oh, put baby sis. Ano gidala pa man nato ni? We're here at Fish Tank. Dito kami kakain ng lunch. Kakarating lang namin ng Sipalay. Dito tayo sa Fish Tank, kilalang seafood restaurant dito. Nasa sila, mangrove area. Philippine mangroves. Daming mangroves dito. Philippine mangroves. Wow. Crocodile belong here? Yeah, there might be crocodiles here, Kuya. I'm kidding. No, there are no crocodiles here, only fish. Crocodile like fish. It's high tide. Good time. Oh, look. They're growing lettuce like that here. Yeah. Lettuce. High tide.
Ah, yeah.
Kaya lang.
Oh,
Isa pa,
thank
isa
you.
pa, isa pa.
Okay lang siguro. Thank you so much.
Ayan, nakarating nga kami dito mga 11 plus na. Or malapit na to mag 11. Medyo wala pang masyadong tao pero mamaya-maya pa ay marami ng taong darating. And timing kasi high tide ngayon. Mas maganda dito pag high tide kasi ma-enjoy mo talaga yung kakaibang experience na kakain ka sa seafood na restaurant na to na may maraming tubig. So pagkarating namin hindi pa masyadong high tide pero papa-high tide na talaga siya. At lahat ng area nila dito ay matutubigan talaga mamaya pag high tide na, fully high tide na. Medyo wala pang masyadong tao ngayon kasi hindi pa lunchtime. Pero usually pag lunchtime talaga dito maraming tao daw. Tapos pag nagpunta kayo dito guys, kailangan nyo talagang magtsinelas. Kasi nga matubig dito. Si Dimitri nga ay nagsapatos siya kaya bumalik pa siya na sasakyan para kunin yung tsinelas niya.
Buti pa si Yuri prepared na kapag suot siya ng tsinelas. Go to auntie! Go to auntie! Later na swimming ha, dali pa mag-swimming. We're not gonna swim yet. Diri na guys sa una. Nabasa na po ko. Kuya, give me. I will go there. Thank you. Diri na lang. Ang ganda dito. We can sit here. It's more nice here. But yeah, there's no space. But more nice. Look, so many fishes. Kuya, look. Daghang isda. Can we swim here? Murag pwede mo langoy dagay diri. Maanod niya ta. Ang lakas ng current. Baka maanod tayo dun sa baba. Beautiful. Beautiful place. Pwede ka mag-Instagram picture dito. Yeah, you like it there, Kuya? Kuya likes it there. Nagbasa-basa na si Yuri. Nabasa na. Ah, bridge pala dyan. Bridge. Fish. Super amazed si Yuri sa restaurant na to. Kasi maraming tubig. Kakaibang experience for Yuri. For all of us actually. First time namin dito. Ano to? Fish tank dito sa Sipalay. Sana si Yuri. Pwede dyan mag-picture for Instagram, Facebook. Kuya, do you like it here? Yeah? He wants to swim. He's so wet. Maybe you let him swim. Smile. You walk another.
Instant Tanya? Picture ka mama ta?
Wait, mo siya.
Yuri na naman.
Yuri, what happened? You're so wet already. Ayan, basa na. Si Yuri. Excuse, kuya. Excuse. Basa na ang bata. Excited mag-swimming. Look, so excited to swim. Look at this boy. So wet.
So, ayan na nga ang na-order namin ng mga pagkain. Nag-order kami ng seafood, usually shrimp. Nag-order ako ng shrimp, buttered shrimp. Tapos si Dimitri nagkape. Tapos may order din siyang grilled na isda na blue marlin yata yan. Hindi niya masyadong nagustuhan yung blue marlin guys kasi medyo dry na overcook. And medyo matagal din kami naghintay sa aming food. Halos 1 oras din bago ma-serve. Tapos hindi pa kompleto yung pagka-serve. Nag-follow up pa ako ng maraming beses. Kasi ang dami din nilang customer nung nagsidatingan kasi yung mga tao sa lunchtime ng daming tao. So,
Where's our service?
It's almost like
It's very hot. Grabe, sobrang init. What can you say about this restaurant? Fish tank.
I leave, I changed, and the guy was really very amazed because they didn't expect the like but
Yeah, service there is not really.
So you can
But in a way, we left tip there.
there.
But yeah, the view there very nice. Very nice. Mag picture Instagram. Yung service lang nila di masyadong maganda. And then food, maybe 5 out of 10. That's just my rating, my opinion. But the place is good. Very nice experience yung kakain ng ganun, may tubig. Maganda mag-picture din. So, pinapalamig namin yung sasakyan kasi mainit. Yung Yuri, nag-ice cream na si Yuri, oh. Dessert after lunch. Ang init. Whew. This is real vacation, kuya. In the Philippines. Arhelia. Arhelia is so smiley today. In Siquijor was not really smiley. But here is smiley in Sipalay. Happy. Mia is not so happy in Sipalay. Nainitan si Mia. Lagi siyang umiiyak kanina. Kuya, interview. Do you like that cafe there?
Yeah,
Why? Because there's a lot of water there?
yeah.
Yeah?
So giant.
So giant. Si Dimitri kumain ulit. You hungry again? Nagutom ulit after mag-lunch.
and we share
Yung food, yung
big bone of fish and we share with your neighbor. I need 3 fish right now.
kumain siya ng yogurt dyan. Yogurt na may banana and nuts. Nandito kami sa inistehan namin last year sa Nabulao Beach Resort dito sa Hinubaan, Negros Occidental. Nagstay din kami dito last year kasama yung kaibigan namin si Maxim we were here with Maxim, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, Maxim and my best friend Marilyn. So we're gonna stay here for 1 night and then tomorrow, kasi 3 days kami dito sa Occidental.
Papa,
Sa Sipalay naman kami magstay
oi.
tomorrow for 2 nights sa Sipalay and then 1 night dito sa Hinubaan. Nasa malapit na to sa Sipalay, boundary ng Hinubaan at Sipalay. Dito sa Nabulao Beach Club. Ang ganda dito. Si Yuri, super excited mag-swimming. Last year, sobrang enjoy siya dito mag-swimming last year kasama yung anak ng kaibigan ko kasi dinala din namin last year. Meron ditong swimming pool for kids and for adults. Maganda din ang sunset dito. Mamaya, pakita natin sa inyo. Pakita namin sa inyo yung sunset. Checking in. Buti na sa first floor lang kami ngayon. Last time kasi second floor kami nagstay. Medyo hassle pag may mga bata. Sweet tree. Kami ang sweet tree?
No, it's good.
It's ours here. Yeah. Let's go! Put your slippers inside, kuya. Welcome. So, we have 2 beds. And then this one for Yuri. I really like this resort kasi sobrang spacious talaga ng mga rooms nila. Yung last year, doon kami sa taas, sa second floor kami. Ganito din yung room nila. Super spacious. Wow! You helping Papa? Very good.
My muscles very strong.
Your muscles are there very strong. So nice. My bed si Kuya.
Ah, look, our car just here.
Really?
Yeah.
So we can go out
Можем
there.
вот так машину. Я пойду в холодильник.
That's Kuya's bed.
Удобно.
And here, Papa can sleep in one bed and me and Mama can stay also in one bed. And our car is just right here because we have veranda here at porch. Ayun yung sasakyan namin. Toilet, bathroom. Wow. Like that. And here is the shower. Nice. Very spacious talaga ang mga rooms nila dito. Very spacious. I like it. I want a room like this in our future house. I want a giant bedroom. Giant. I want a very spacious bedroom. With own toilet. We need with own toilet. Master bedroom with own toilet. Kuya, do you like this room? Yeah, you have your own bed here?
Look, this is the blue one is my horse.
Yeah.
Yours is pink.
Oh, refrigerating will save money.
So here is 5,000 pesos per night,
But
guys.
is Maxim we stay for 3,000 per night?
Because it was with summer promo.
Promo and second floor.
Yeah, last year nagstay kami dito for 3,000 lang kasi may promo sila nung time na yun. Ito, this day, 5,000 regular price nila. Regular day na price. Pero, very spacious ang room at tatlo ang bed. So, worth it talaga. Mas maganda pa to kaysa nastehan namin sa Siquijor. You remember sa Siquijor, sa Infinity Heights? 5,000 din, almost 6 yata doon. Or 6 yun. Around 6,000 doon per night. Pero, mas maliit yung room nila compare dito. Dito, mas spacious talaga. Grabe, sobrang linis. Favorite talaga namin to, kaya binalikan namin tong resort na to dito. Kasi last year nung nagstay kami dito, sobrang nagandahan talaga kami. Dito to sa Nabulaw Beach Resort sa Hinubaan, Negros Oriental. Siya, boundary ng Sipalay. Malapit na to sa Sipalay. So if gusto niyo magpunta Sipalay, pwede kayo magstay dito, maganda. Highly recommended ko tong resort na to talaga. Si Dimitri at ang kanyang mga pagkain. Ang daming dinala ng Dimitri pagkain. What's inside there?
It's my lightweight travel.
Lightweight travel.
Backpacker.
Lightweight travel. Daming pagkain dyan. Ay, mga Kasi nagdala siya ng yogurt at cheese. You bring cheese?
I'm just normal backpacker.
No. Hindi niya maiwan yung yogurt niya. Dala-dala kasi siya ng yogurt, may bread, mga tinapay. Kasi mga 3 hours din ang travel dito. 3 hours and 15 minutes yata yun. From our house to here. Dito sa Occidental. Kasi sa Darwin, Negros Oriental kami. Mga 3 hours plus yung biyahe. So, kain-kain, nag-snacks din kami sa sasakyan. Kasi hindi na kami nag-stop over. Kanina lang yung lunch kanina sa may Sipalay. Wow, Kuya! Kuya! The Kuya boss! Boss! And there is the baby boss, Mia. Let's rest for a while and then we're gonna go swimming. Baby sis! Hello. Hello, dear. Hi. Swimming na ta? Let's go swimming na.
Let's go swim.
Wala pa, oy. It's still 2. We're gonna swim at 3.
No.
And we also will see the sunset. And we'll eat dinner.
No.
But baby sis already eat. Boom, boom, boom. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ta-da! Ha! Who is ready to swim? The baby girl is ready to swim. So cute na ang hairpin sa baby girl. You wanna swim here? Cute man, ana among baby sis. Let's go na. We're ready to swim. Kuya, tala na. Slipper ni mo, kuya.
I
Bring.
want to play with this thing.
Yeah, you can bring that at the swimming pool. It's malapit na mag-alas 3. Swimming kami. You paid for it?
No.
Kuya. si Mia.
Yeah.
But now they have better.
Silly boy, naubos ang sunscreen. Ang dami nang nilagay niyang sunscreen. Kuya, you need to put on your... You need to put on your floaty.
You want that?
Hi! Hi there!
I will not protect your
Hi there, baby girl! Ready to swim? Achoo! Bless you!
Baby, baby.
Kuya, ready to... That's Papa!
Her diet?
No? She's not gonna poop. She already pooped yesterday. She pooped every 3 to 4 days now. It's convenient for travel. Just here. Kuya! Uy, nawa na. Nakainom na. Baby sis! Hi, baby sis! Baby sis! Hello! Cute kaayo. Cute kaayo ka, baby sis. You're so cutie-cutie with your hairpins. Are you, yeah? No, swimming naman lagi. Kabalo naman lagi.
She can dive.
So happy, baby.
You want?
Kuya, you want hot Milo?
Look, he can swim.
He can already swim?
Look.
Be, show me.
No.
Show me how you swim, Kuya.
No.
1, 2, 3. Wow! Oh, wow! Wow! He really can swim.
No, it's not.
Wow!
You
Don't panic.
No,
It's okay. He can swim na. He just panicked. A little bit. Wow! Marunong lang lumangoy si Yuri. Nakakalangoy na siya ng kaunti. Okay, come on.
Yuri, at 5 years, you should already free dive. 5 meters. Okay, not.
Maybe more mouth.
Wait, don't push.
Don't push him or he will not trust you anymore.
No, I push for here. For here. He pushed himself from me.
Mama Joa. Mama Joa.
Where is baby sis? Oh, there.
Mama Joa.
Baby sis has her own bed. Kuya, si Kuya, hindi pa sleepy si Kuya. So much energy. Nag-swimming, nag-football. He still he still have so much energy left. Kuya, save your energy for tomorrow. Because tomorrow we're gonna go to the beach. Another beach and another
My
resort.
energy is collecting anything.
Collecting anything. Kuya, did you have fun today? Did you enjoy today?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's the most important. To have fun and enjoy and relax. Thumbnail. Look, he still have energy to play football. Alright guys, we're gonna rest now. Soon. Kuya is still playing football there. Say, Kuya, can you say bye-bye here? See you tomorrow. Can you say see you tomorrow?
Bye-bye.
Did it here?
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say, see you tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
Not bye-bye, see you tomorrow lang.
See you tomorrow.
Yeah. Ayan si baby sis. Sweet dreams. Knockdown si baby sis.
And guys, yun lang ang vlog for today, and sa susunod na natin na episode ipagpatuloy ang vlog namin sa Sipalay kasi medyo mataas-taas tong vlog na to, and kailangan ko nang mag-upload kasi matagal na ako hindi nakapag-upload, and pinilit ko nga mag-voice over ngayon kahit may sakit ako, nilagnat ako. Kaming lahat dito nilagnat sa bahay, pati si Mia, and ako yung last na natamaan talaga ng lagnat, tsaka ubo, sipon. And kahit masama yung pakiramdam ko ngayon, pinilit ko talagang matapos tong vlog na to. Pasensya na kayo kung matagal akong hindi nakapag-upload kasi na-busy rin talaga sa mga bata, lalo na at nagkasakit kami this week. But I will try my best guys na ma-edit at ma-upload ko ang mga video past few weeks kasi medyo late na rin to kasi nga wala akong time na mag-edit. Pero sana ay abangan nyo pa rin at subaybayan ang aming mga vlog. At magkita-kita tayo guys sa susunod na vlog. Sana ay nag-enjoy kayo at mag-ingat po kayong lahat. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-subscribe sa aming channel kung hindi pa po kayo nakapag-subscribe. Maraming salamat po.